What the?
Sticking to the code, all these hoes for the street. I put in her nose, it's gon' make her pussy leak. Pussy niggas told ain't gon' wake up at these streets. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear.
He's not our teammate. He killed me. We have a Gilly in the middle. Are you dead? Okay, good. Yeah. Gilly's. Okay, Gilly's dead. Don't shoot him. Dead guy right here too. Dead guy. Oh, he's dead now. That guy's dead. That guy's dead. All right, all right. Oh, he's dead, he's dead. He's dead.
I got syrup in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. Everybody urges in this bitch, get murked in this bitch. All these pointers on me, baby, you know it's game time. Bring a friend, bitch, we fuck at the same time. I'm a different nigga, no, we not the same.
Oh my god!
You can have that bitch, she ain't mine. Young dope, dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw, nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping ambulances if you
so
like
hot.
that. Pop another bottle if you like that.
Yay!
These niggas talking out of their neck. Don't put no coughing out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. DOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say it's a lot of goofies with a check. I mean, I hold them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but it cannot be legit. No 40 water, tell him. Yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak this and first person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. It's up. Lost too many soldiers.
This pistol, bro.
It ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop the location. I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big 3. Nigga, it's just big me. Nigga, boom. I'm really like that. And your best word is a light pack. Nigga, Prince outlived Mike Jack. Nigga, boom. For all your dogs getting buried, that's a K with all these 9s. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga.
Young dope, dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking in doors, is you like that?
No longer that?
Young dope, nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that.
It's too hot. Too close for full auto, man. Too close for full auto. I'm not gonna call that. You're too close for full auto, and I already stopped you. I'm not calling it, dude. That is too close for full auto. You cannot use full auto that close. No, this is full auto? Really? Please explain.
Young dope, dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that?
Oh, thanks.
Nigga selling lows,
Oh my god.
Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping ambulances if you like that.
It's like a movie scene, bro.
Came banging dope niggas, John slanging powder. Walking a strip club, make it rain for 3 hours. Locked in and I got my felony on my driver. Perked out, took chances in my hood like no bottle.
Damn, are you good?